Jesus could open blind eyes with a single word. He had healed the sick from a distance. He had raised the dead by simply speaking. Yet one day, when he met a man who had been blind from birth, Jesus bent down, touched the dust of the earth, and did something no one expected. He made mud. This miracle was not just about seeing again. It was about remembering who Jesus truly is. As Jesus was walking with his disciples, they saw a man sitting by the roadside. He had never seen light, never seen a face, never seen the sky. Blindness was the only life he had ever known. The disciples looked at him and asked Jesus, "Rabbi, who sinned, this man or his parents, that he was born blind?" But Jesus answered with compassion, "Neither this man nor his parents sinned. This happened so that the works of God might be revealed in him." Then Jesus stopped. He did not speak healing immediately. He did not stretch out his hand from a distance. Instead, he bent down. He touched the ground. He took the dust of the earth, mixed it with water, and gently placed the mud on the man's eyes. The hands that touched dust were not ordinary hands. They were the hands of the Creator. Jesus then said to the man, "Go and wash in the pool of Siloam." Still blind, the man stood up. He walked by faith, not by sight. He washed his eyes, and when he opened them, light flooded his world. For the first time, he could see. Jesus did not need mud to heal. So, why did he use it? The Bible tells us in the beginning, the Lord God formed man from the dust of the ground. At creation, God used dust to give life. Now, standing in the streets of Jerusalem, Jesus once again touched dust, not to create a man for the first time, but to restore what had been broken. This miracle quietly declared a powerful truth. Backhand index pointing right, the Creator himself had come near. Jesus was showing the world that he is not only a healer of bodies, but the one who gives life, restores purpose, and makes all things new. Why did Jesus ask the man to go and wash? Because faith is not only believing. Faith is obeying, even when we do not understand. The healing did not happen while the mud was on his eyes. It happened after obedience. When the man trusted Jesus enough to act, the miracle was completed. This story reminds us that Jesus sees what others overlook. God can use what seems small and ordinary, and the Creator still restores broken lives. What looks like dust in our hands becomes healing in his. When the man opened his eyes, it was not only his sight that was healed, it was his life. And today, that same Jesus still walks among us, still restoring, still creating, still bringing light out of dust. From dust, he gives new sight. The Creator still restores his creation.